Alex, I just swipe 3 chocolate bar from the shelf when nobody never look.
What? Where them there?
I put them in my pocket long time.
That is stealing. Bout swipe. Go put them back.
No, I not put them back, cause me hungry and I not have no money to pay for them. And furthermore, nobody never see when I take them.
My granny say when you thief anything and think nobody not see you, remember say God see you.
Me always hear my auntie say, God help those who help themselves. So me help myself cause me hungry.
If you not put them back, me a go talk for you.
If you talk for me, you are got in a trouble too.
Oh come, after it's not me thief them.
Remember, it's me and you come inside here together, so them going charge you as my accomplice.
Alright, bet you ma make you give them back without me squeal for you.
Well, me not give them back and you can't force me.
Miss Cashier, how much for a chocolate bar?
$500.
Give me one. But I'm going to show you a magic trick before I pay for it.
Here you are, young man. Let's see that magic trick.
Let me have another. Give me one more.
Where is the magic trick? All you're doing is eating the chocolate bar.
I'm just making them disappear.
You know you will have to pay for the 3 chocolate bars.
Abracadabra. Now check my friend pocket and you will see all 3 chocolate bars appear there.